My name's Caleb.
And my name's Drew.
And we made this Michigan big house in Tinkercad. We have the Michigan big house logo on the front and the bleachers around the perimeter type thing. We got like Michigan on one side and the field goal post, and then Wolverines on the other side in the end zones. And then
let's get cracking.
Hi, I'm Sophie.
And I'm Karis.
And I made a happy couple.
Mr. Harmon and Mrs. Harmon. And I'm Karis and I made their dog, Bailey. And they are walking in
while holding hands. Bye!
Priya and Sarah. And we made this super cool thing. And his name is Bobby B. Show the Bobby B. It says Priya, Keolani, and Sarah, bye.
Hi, this is Alex L. and Osvaldo from Mr. Harmon's Flight in Space class, and today we were challenged to make a tetrahedral kite. This is the design me and him made.
Hey guys, it's Spencer back in Flight in Space. I made the owl, and I'm going to test it out. Here's what it looks like. Go.
Hi, my name is Owen. I made the research craft in Mr. Harmon's Flight in Space class. Go subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this. Let's see how she flies.
Alright guys, this is a rocket I made in Flight in Space. This is the capsule, and down here is the RS-25 engine.
Hi HLModTech followers, it's me, Elena, in Mr. Harmon's second hour, and I made this alien that's from Area 51, because today's the raid, and it says, fresh out of Area 51.
Hello you guys, I'm Itza, and today I'm in Mr. Harmon's classroom, and I wanted to show you guys a really cool treehouse, purple person, and then I have a blue person. My house is white, kind of like the White House. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and bye!
Hey guys, this is a human dinosaur I made in Flight in Space, just for fun. I did it at home. Yeah.
And his name is Jonathan.
I think it's pretty cool. I enjoy doing it. Also, make sure to subscribe to HLModTech.
Hello, Mr. Harmon's Instagram. I have the best treehouse in the world because I have an extra flying dude.
This is my evil castle. Dun, dun. The evil king. Who was so mean, he locked his own princess in the castle, and then locked the queen in the castle tower. Last but not least, the helicopter trying to save the princess and the queen from the evil king. Goodbye. Sub to HLModTech.
Hello guys, this is my rocket that I made from Flight in Space class. This is like the launch thing, and then where the rocket flies off at, and like the fuel coming out of it, and this is where the people are.
My name is Priya. My friend Cornelius. I designed him on my own. Be cool too.
And I'm Caleb.
And we made checkers, and the way you play is so you can set up your board like that. You control E to copy it, and then control E
To paste it.
And you can move by
Delete.
one,
And then you hit control.
and then hit control V.
We're in Mr. Harmon's Flight in Space class, and I made the Captain America shield. I have a heart instead of a star, but I have a star under it, and I have a handle.
Hi, my name is V, and I built a rocket in Tinkercad, and the name is the SSS pencil because it looks like a pencil. on the side we have the boosters for the rocket, and they'll fall off after they run out of.
Hey everybody, it is me back with another video of Chimmy the Chungus. Here we got this swagalicious spaceship that I made with the help of Tinkercad, a thing that is suggested with Mr. Harmon to use to make some swagalicious artistic stuff. This guy right here, mostly me right here. So right here we got the place with the 3 passengers, the fins right here in order to help the thing fly. Right here we got the jet thingies to make the spaceship go fly in the sky. And this is all that the big boy, good boy Chimmy the Chungus has to show all these swagalicious people today. Goodbye, and let's get cracking.
What's up, guys? This is my tetrahedral kite that I made in flight and space class. And also like and subscribe to HLModTech.
Guys, I'm in Mr. Harmon's class, and I made this dinosaur with he's eating someone right now, and there's a bunch of like rocks and trees around.
Hello guys, it's me. This is Jay in Mr. Harmon's 5th hour classroom, and I wanted to show you guys an update on my little tree house. And the reason for that is because I added some like leaves on it and stuff like that to make it look better. Because before it was just fall, now it's summer. When all the leaves are out, people are happy except we don't have a pet, but it's all fine. They're still happy.
My kite I made with my partner Jonathan, and subscribe to HLModTech, and also subscribe to HLMotion.
Hey yo, it's Jaime here in Mr. Harmon's class. You already know. I built this pretty cool plane, and you guys should subscribe to Mr. Harmon at HLModTech, and you should subscribe to me at Jaime Delgado. I'm just saying. But yeah, it's what I built. It's pretty cool.
Versus, I think, a grasshopper.